Music has the incredible power to touch hearts, heal emotions, and bring people together. It speaks a language that everyone understands beyond words and boundaries.
True, music reflects our feelings, our dreams, our struggles, our happiness, and even our innocence. It becomes a companion in every phase of our life.
Today, our talented grade 8 students are here to take us on a beautiful musical journey through a soulful mashup of songs.
This mashup is not just a collection of melodies, but a blend of emotions, hope, love, simplicity, and joy.
The first song reflects the dreams and aspirations of students, reminding us that every child deserves encouragement, understanding, and the freedom to follow their passion.
The next melody brings calmness and warmth, expressing love and connection in its purest form.
This performance also highlights confidence, harmony, and teamwork as voices come together to create something truly special.
So we invite you all to pause for a moment, leave behind your worries, and immerse yourselves in this soulful musical presentation.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। ना 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 ना। Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Oh, oh, give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions, take the field now. You define us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifted as we lose our inhibition. Celebration is around us, every nation all around us. Stay forever young, singing songs underneath that sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day we all say, when I get older I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a wave. When I get older I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag. साहिबा आए घर काहे ना, ऐसे तो सताए ना, देखो तुझको चैन आता है। साहिबा नींदे वींदे आए ना, रातें काटी जाए ना, तेरा ही ख्याल दिन रहना आता है। साहिबा समंदर मेरी आंखों में रह गए, हम आते आते जाना तेरी यादों में रह गए। ये पल के गवाही है, हम रातों में रह गए, जो वादे किए सारे बस बातों में रह गई। बातों बातों में ही, ख्वाबों ख्वाबों में ही मेरे करीब है तू। तेरी तलब मुझको तेरी तलब, जाना हो तू कभी रूबरू। शोर शराबा जो सीने में है मेरे, कैसे बयां मैं करूं। हाल जो मेरा है मैं किसको बताऊं मेरे साहिबा। दिल ना किराए का, थोड़ा तो संभालो ना, नाजुक है ये टूट जाता है। साहिबा नींदे वींदे आए ना, रातें काटी जाए ना, तेरा ही ख्याल दिन रहना आता है। कैसे तू गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए, छोटी मोटी बातों पे मुँह फुलाए, ये नज़ाकत मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए। नादानियाँ नादानियाँ तेरा ही नाम है। कैसे तू गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए छोटी मोटी बातों पे मुँह फुलाए, ये नजाकत मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए। नादानियाँ नादानियाँ खींचे मुझे, नादानियाँ 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 पागल करे तेरी हर अदा। We're only getting older, baby, and I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you ever have dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it will never change me and you.
What a beautiful performance and heart-touching performance that was. The moment the first note began, the entire auditorium was filled with emotion and warmth.
Absolutely, the voices of our great students took us on a journey of dreams, hopes, innocence, and love.